Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. If you're just starting out with computers or want to level up your tech skills, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top essential IT skills every beginner should know. Number one is digital literacy. This is your foundation. Can you use a computer without getting overwhelmed? Can you browse the internet, open files, and use cloud storage like Google Drive? Number two is office productivity tools. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Google Docs and Sheets. These tools are everywhere, in schools, offices, and remote work setups. Learn how to write a clean document, make a simple budget sheet, or design a presentation. It is gold. Number three is cybersecurity basics. Now more than ever, security matters. Do you know how to spot a phishing email or why you should use two-factor authentication? Start building good habits now, like creating strong passwords and thinking twice before clicking any suspicious link. Number four is file and OS management. Understanding your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, helps you to stay in control. Know how to install software, manage files, and keep things organized on your computer. It saves time and frustration. Number five is communication tools. Zoom, Microsoft Teams. These aren't just for remote workers anymore. They are how we connect, learn, and collaborate. If you can confidently join a video call or share a file in a chat, you're ahead of a lot of people. Number six is cloud computing basics. Have you ever saved something to Google Drive? That is the cloud in action. Understanding cloud storage, online backups, and tools like Dropbox or iCloud is a must. It makes your work portable and secure. Number seven is basic tech troubleshooting. Your screen goes black, your internet is slow. What do you do? Knowing how to restart a router, check settings, or search a help forum is a true lifesaver. Number eight is keyboard skills and shortcuts. Can you type fast? Do you use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V? These small shortcuts save a ton of time. Boost your typing speed and learn key shortcuts, especially if you're applying for office jobs or freelancing online. Number nine is introduction to programming logic. You don't need to become a coder or programmer overnight, but understanding how code works is powerful. Try having fun with a program like Scratch or Python. It opens up a whole new way of thinking. Number 10, basic networking. Lastly, networking 101. What is Wi-Fi? What's an IP address? How do you set up a router? These things come up all the time, at home, school, or work. Don't panic. Learn the basics and you'll feel way more confident. There you have it. 10 essential IT skills for beginners. Master these and you are not just surviving in the digital world, you're thriving. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friend. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which skill you're working on first. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.